Hey everyone, have you ever opened your webmail and seen this message? To protect your privacy, remote resources have been blocked. And every single time you need to click Allow. Pretty annoying, right? Let me show you how to fix this permanently in Roundcube Webmail. Just log into your webmail, go to Settings, Preferences, Displaying Messages, and look for the option that says Display Remote Inline Images or Allow Remote Resources. Now, simply set it to Always. That's it. From now on, all your emails will load images automatically without asking you to allow every time. This small change also makes sure your emails display properly in Gmail when they're synced. No more broken layouts or missing images. So if this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe Dgtal Grow channel for more quick tech fixes. See you in the next one.